Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now we are going to talk about the huge cryptocurrency sell-off after Tesla announced that they sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings, okay? First of all, let me show you. You see we have this descending channel here, and I announced this morning or a couple of hours ago, Dubai time this morning, here on Twitter, that we have this descending channel, and if you break out of this channel, because a descending channel is more likely to break to the upside, yeah, then we can put in a long position. Yeah, that's exactly what I did, because yesterday we had this sell-off where I closed my long positions and took the profits, because you know it's never wrong to take a profit, because you never know where exactly is the top, but you know it's always smart to take profit. Okay, so let me show you. That's why it's also important that you follow me over on Twitter, because there announced some trade opportunities, and yeah, you can find the link in the description. So today morning I opened two new trades, Ethereum and Bitcoin, right now about $400 in a profit. Nothing crazy or so, just a little swing trade or a bounce, because we broke out of this channel. Okay, so what happened? Let me show you. Yeah, Tesla announced or released their earnings report, and it said that they sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings. Okay, yeah, what does it mean? I mean, basically it doesn't change anything of the narrative or so of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still, in my opinion, a good investment, and yeah, and actually it didn't happen yesterday. Okay, it was just announced yesterday that they sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings, but it didn't happen yesterday. Okay, so that's nothing bad right now. It's just actually there's always some psychology in the market. Okay, it's not just that people are like robots or trade like robots. You know, some people hear, oh, Tesla sold 75% of the Bitcoin, now I have to sell it also, or whatever. You know, actually makes no sense to react like this, but still some people react like this, and this happens, yeah, time after time. This happens all over the place again, but yeah, you never know. Some people react like this. Okay, actually, but what Tesla also said, okay, we are certainly open to increasing our Bitcoin holdings in the future. Okay, so nothing bad happened, whatever, but psychology also plays a big role in the market sometimes. So let me show you. You know, we went up until here. Yeah, there's also a critical, let's say, resistance at about $24,000. Okay, sorry for that. We have this resistance here, $24,000. We went up until here. It was pretty okay. Yeah. Then you know we bounced off this a little bit, came back, and then yeah, then there was this announcement, or people. It was revealed that Tesla sold Bitcoin. So what happened? Psychology. We went all the way down until we reached this level here, about this $22,600. Previous resistance now turned out to be support. Okay, and as you see, we broke out of this channel here. So, and usually the target or the price target of a descending channel is the beginning of the channel. So basically this means we could go up until we reach $24,000 again, and then let's see, usually, you know, the more often we test a resistance, the more likely it is that we break it. Okay, so we had the first attempt yesterday. Today, or I don't know how long it could take, would be the second attempt. Yeah, so maybe we will test it again today, or in the next couple of hours, or in the next couple of days. We never know, but we could, of course, maybe it happens in the next couple of hours, because if there are some bullish news, or some people say, okay, hey, it's cheap again to buy Bitcoin or whatever, we could pump up to this level again. Okay, yeah, for Ethereum, let me show you. Yeah, we also broke out of this channel. That's why I also opened the Ethereum trade here. Okay, so right now the target would be like about yesterday's high at about $1,600 for Ethereum. Okay, that's how the market looks right now. Let me show you again Bitcoin on the 50-minute time frame. We are still, or not still, let's say we are again, you know, we had this upwards rising channel ascending channel. We broke out of the channel, but now we are in the channel again, okay? So yeah guys, now you know what's going on in the world of cryptocurrencies. If you, and of course guys, if you also want to trade, you will find the links for Phemex and also for Bybit with accumulated bonuses of almost $9,000, yeah, in the description, of course. And if you use my link, you will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? So yeah, if you like this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.